Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I received a box full of CBD products from Grass & Co, and in this video I share the start of my CBD journey. CBD has become one of the biggest wellness products in recent years, and I recently decided to try it for myself. If you too are interested in trying CBD but don't know where to start, then this video is perfect for you. Do subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my progress videos. So what is CBD? In brief, CBD is a natural extract of the hemp plant that is both legal and non-intoxicating. I am hoping it will help me to relax more in both mind and body, reduce stress and help with lower back pain. But where to start? I started by doing some research and discovered there are lots of choices to make when buying CBD, not just different brands and different types of CBD products. For example, should I use drops or apply it topically onto the skin? But also, which strength do I need? And where is the hemp source? And the extraction methods used, and are they lab tested, to name but a few. My priority was to find a trusted brand with excellent customer reviews. I would also recommend looking for a brand who are transparent about how they make their products, who are easy to communicate with and provide a clear, informative website. After my initial research, I realised it was not an easy task to sort the good from the bad, and I decided the best way would be to follow a recommendation. And on that very day, I was listening to a Liz Earle podcast and she recommended Grass & Co. So I headed to their website to find out more. The website immediately drew me in with its minimal style and beautiful images, and the company was everything I had hoped for, with quality, sustainable, organic CBD products and excellent reviews. But still, with so much choice of products, I wasn't sure where to start, so I sent a message via Instagram. Sarah came back to me. She was so helpful and told me they were looking for someone new to CBD who wants to try it and would monitor and share their CBD journey and progress. I was more than happy to be that person. So Sarah arranged for a gifted care package to be sent out to me. I do just want to share that I did check with my doctor that it was okay to use CBD alongside my HRT. Grass & Co combine high-quality CBD with botanical ingredients, which help to calm, soothe and ease the mind, body and soul. Our philosophy is a life inspired by nature, creating products and topical treatments to help support physical and mental well-being. Ease CBD Muscle Balm. Ease CBD Oil. Rest CBD Body Oil. And Calm CBD Oil. The next step for me is to have a call with Sarah at Grass & Co, and she is going to talk me through how to take the products and to establish a routine for me to follow. In my next video, I will talk about when and how I am using the products and my first impressions. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments section below, and I will see you in my next one. Also, a special thank you to Leo for helping to remind me to slow down and take a break from the stresses of life.